Kynhun Myntri ne KHASI kelarai halor KHASI MSL program kabade ka scheme at ganti kayo kahat kinong rep hagapor bakidor ki murjong ki marrep margyang ki hyar hagiyo ki hat. Kasorkar kalabu kung basis pa tali kiyo ki hat kanang manla ban pendunay ki jing jong kinong rep.
The government has decided to keep a corpus of 100 crores to intervene in these situations so that the farmers during this distress are supported and helped. These are being done specifically for non-perishable products and to be very more particular, we have seen that the market price for broomsticks and the market price for areca nut has been very unstable in the last few years, and it continues even today. And therefore, we feel a very strong need for intervention from the government side to be there to procure these products and then resell them.